On today's episode of MotoCheez.
So yeah, I know it's been like a couple weeks, so I'm going to give you some updates. I met with someone that watches my YouTube channel. We went out and ate with him and his wife. I'll leave their names anonymous. We ate at a place called Crump's Landing. Pretty awesome place. Very nice. I smelled something dead coming through here. Guess they're going to finish it off, huh? Do your stuff, turkey birds. Well, I got the vinyl flooring for the laundry room and the kitchen, and I got 2 free 2x4s because they ran out of the tubes, and I picked up a cheap printer. It was like $23 or something because I got an international key tag order and it will not print on that. Like a nasty rug, right? And I also got a heater because it got down to like 33 degrees last night. Florida. It was actually warmer up in Connecticut than it was down here. I was 45 when I got up. What the heck is this, Florida? Usually that's in February drops this low. And then I got to figure out what to do about this floor because it's wider than the material that Home Depot sells. And I don't know if I can match it up and glue it that well. Make my lunch. Since I don't have a refrigerator yet. I think I brought the 110 volt adapter. I should bring this inside. And leave this inside as a refrigerator. Lunchtime on the cheap. That's good. I should call her. Even got a little TV. Well, not little, but something to do my editing with. This is my little temporary office while I'm down here. Got a few key tags ordered. They're going out. Don't worry, they're still going out. You know what that is? Pluto TV. Free TV. Watching thrillers.
The following day.
I woke up to a blue screen on my laptop. Good times. After waking up to a 32-degree morning, figure it's time to inspect this gas furnace. Blower works. And the gas is shut off here. The firebox doesn't look that bad. Surprising. This thing might even work. This thing might even work. Well, I got the floor almost all prepped here. Just gonna do some Bondo because that knot's out. I think the wrong side of the board went down on that one. And we gotta fill a few gaps there. And it's a little uneven here. So we'll get that done with the Bondo and we're ready for the floor. Now on to the kitchen floor. Pull the gas stove out, disconnecting the line. I am going to shut the gas off. There's no tanks hooked up, but you never know what you'll find back here. Too bad no one dropped money back here, huh? Some kind of varmint was living in here though, apparently. I don't think it's worth saving that. And what is up with these huge, wide fans over the stove? Like, why are they so big? They expecting to have like an industrial sized stove? Look at this nasty thing. That's coming out too. Something was definitely living in here. It's gone now. Breakfast time. First breakfast in the new place. Cooked. Double cheese, MotoCheez breakfast sandwich.
A little later.
That's good to have friends, ain't it? Oh yeah. Looking good, boys. Looking good. Look how nice and clean that is. Oh yeah. Nice and clean. Well, that looks 1,000 times better, doesn't it? Yes, sir.
The next day.
Here, get on the broom. She loves to ride on the broom. That usually works.
Like you, like the witch? No.
Oh, you want me to send her over? I'll let her take care of my light work. Hey, I'm a good girl.
Are you a good girl?
In her sleep.
No.
And she never sleeps.
Many hours later.
Here they come. My first camper visitors. My parents. Wow, that thing looks massive behind that little Ford. Jeez, that thing looks so tiny pulling that. And it's a small trailer. They made it all the way from Connecticut. See if I can zoom in on this guy. Of course, go behind the trees. So I got my little card table set up. I bought a used gas stove. Those people were awesome. Got it for 130 bucks. My parents are down. They bought me a microwave. Look at that bad boy. I think I'm gonna get one of those smaller refrigerators. It's like 5 foot instead of 5'10". You know, because I don't need anything big, and when I come down, it's getting plugged in, and when I leave, it's everything's coming out of it and it's getting unplugged. So I think that'll work out perfect for there.
The next day.
Haven't been this shop because there'll be so much good fight. But I still think it's going to cook. Not just going to be a revolution.
Yep, I agree 100% on that. I agree.
Definitely.
A few moments later.
See, the floors are in good shape. That's just black spots from the foam stuff, you know. No damage. I got vinyl for this. Interlocking vinyl. Because I couldn't get a roll of rolled vinyl 14 feet and I wasn't going to do a seam. So that's a little better, I think. That's my repair. Once I'm done, or close to done, I'll put the old pictures up of what it used to look like in here. Getting there. My mom's painting the cabinet doors and the cabinet. I'm priming them anyway. And painting the walls too. I didn't show it before, but you gotta pull up a tack strip. Any place that they had the staples. You gotta cut all this edge. Any molding, nailing or pull nails. Time consuming. I think I probably should have went with the silver there, huh? But I bought it already. Big improvement, I'd say. Got the heater running because it's getting down pretty cold tonight. Maybe 45. We got all the poles out. Now it looks a lot better. It looks like a field. Looks way better. And I got a container coming in. I think we're gonna put it right there probably. And that's it. Inside and outside. And I think I'm gonna side it. Vinyl side it when I'm done. Because it looks good on the inside. Might as well look good on the outside. I got me 2 kayaks. Thanks, Donnie. Good deal on those. Got my container, boys. Look at that. Everything will be nice and dry. I still got to level it, and it looks pretty level. I got to square it up with the property line. I kept probably 10 12 feet back from the property line. I think there's a 5-foot setback, but that's actually portable, so it don't matter. And I got to do a dump run. Boy.
The funeral is about to begin, sir.
I would like to have that. It don't look too bad there. I don't think. I can get all my stuff out of that spare room. So there's the kitchen, getting all primed. Special primer for, you know, the vinyl stuff. It's gonna look good. Well, we're all painted up on the cabinets. New knobs, hinges. Big job. My mother tackled that job. I helped her a little. 3 days. You gotta take everything apart. Boy, what a difference, huh? What a difference. Gotta finish some molding in all the rooms. Big world of difference what paint will do. New range hood. So my next trip down, I'll knock off a little bit more work. I gotta go back to our big snowstorm. Hey, I might be able to squeak in something with actual motors in it. Thanks for following, man. This is it's another adventure. There's really no motos in it, but I'm bringing the Hawk down here next time. It's coming down and it's staying here. The Hawk DLX is gonna be a Florida bike. That's right.
Later, in the void.
Still climbing trees at how old?
79.
Wow. He's big, huh?
That's a small one, really.
That's a female.
Yeah, but that's small.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
not a
Might have
boar.
been. Well, it's. Huh. Look at that. I said there's buffalo, but I thought they were joking. There's actually buffalo. Wow.
The Smokies. All the color of the leaves had changed. Carol had that camera.
Now it looks like I'll be going home to a little bit of snow, eh?
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.